What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your best cover 15 with different style 15-inch PA speakers. Now as you know, PA speakers come in all different shapes and styles depending on the brand and the model. They also come with different accessories and features like carry handles, top handles, trolley handles, wheels. But luckily for you, we thought of everything when we made the best cover 15. So let me show you how to set it up with the DX15 and the rainproof 15. So let me start with the DX15. So as you can see, this is a big boy PA speaker. It's got a very unique shape, but that doesn't matter. The best cover 15 is going to fit over it. So what you're going to do when you want to set up your best cover 15 with your PA speaker is first you're going to want to make sure that the Velcro is unclasped at the bottom. When you know it's unclasped, you have both sides. You can then just take it and slide it over the speaker. You want it covering all the sides of the speaker, and then you're just going to pull it down. Once you have the cover over the speaker, you're then going to clasp the Velcro. To do that, you're going to run one end underneath the speaker and then the other end over it to keep it nice and tight. Now with the Velcro underneath it, the slip is never going to come off of the speaker even though you have a little bit of slack. Now the cool thing about the DX15 and many 15-inch PA speakers, even like the rainproof 15, is they have carry handles on the side. So when you put your slip over your speaker, you still want to be able to carry it with the handles, so you can actually open these side pouches over here, which will give you access to the carry handle. So they're all Velcro, so you just pull up. And now, when it's time to transport, you can just lift them up with the carry handles. Now I'm just going to set it up with the rainproof 15 the same exact way. We're going to start by taking our slip cover, making sure the Velcro is unclasped at the bottom, and then we're going to slide it over our speaker. Now once you have the slip over the speaker, we're going to do the same thing where you can either turn it on the side or rock it back and forth to just get the Velcro nice and tight underneath, holding the speaker into place. What you want to do is just grab either end of the Velcro, run this side across the speaker fully, and then the other side is just going to get Velcroed over it, and that's just going to keep the speaker from slipping out. Now one of the cool features of the best cover 15 is that it actually has additional length zippers. So you can see right now we have a little bit of extra length. If we don't want that length, we can actually zip it up with these zippers over here. Cool, now it's in the slip. We can do the same thing where we can open these flaps over here, have access to the carry handles, as well as you can open the flap on the top, which gives you access to the top handle and the trolley handle as well. And the cool thing is because the Velcro is going underneath the speaker but not covering the wheels, you can actually roll this speaker while it's in the slip. So hopefully this video showed you how easy it is to use the best cover 15 slip on your 15-inch PA speaker. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support tech team through phone or email. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville, and I'll see you in the next one.